Class B.
page number
ఏవి పెన్ పెన్సిల్ అనేది తీసుకో.
third class and page number third class third good morning ma'am good morning ma'am good morning ma'am good morning ma'am seventh class అట్లా చెప్తున్నా
Good morning, good morning, 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 morning,
everyone good morning English
good morning, 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 morning. Lo 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 lo
again presenters ma'am
Okay, children, now you look here. Class, we have seen what are tenses. Tenses indicate the time, which shows whether the action is over or still going on, or it is going to be done. Okay, children, can you see that? How many types of tenses are there? In our last class, I've already discussed how many types of tenses are there. How many actions are there? Okay, when the action is going on, it is a present tense. When the action gets over, it is past tense. When the action is going to be done, it is future tense. Now I would like to make you understand tenses is totally based upon actions. Action is nothing but it is a verb. Verb is the action word. We have already learned a song on action words. I hope you all remember it. Action words are those which show the action of any person. Action words are those which are also called as verbs. Some of the verbs are jumping and dancing, walking and talking, eating and drinking. Hey, action words are those which show the action of any person. Did you understand, children? So, tenses are totally based upon actions. If the action is over, it is past tense. If the action is happening, it is present tense. If the action is yet to be done or is going to happen in for the future, it is future tense. Can you see that? I've given some, draw this tabular form. Tenses, that means it's actions, past tense, present tense and future tense. Action already happened, action happening, action yet to happen. I want you all to write this. Take your English classwork book. You don't have a page number for this. This is the extra grammar, what I am teaching. And today, I told you all that you're going to have a revision test in your lesson, Funny Bunny. Do you all remember? I sent you the message in the group. Who is that scribbling on the screen, children? This is very bad. Finish writing.
Ma'am, please share. Ma'am, please wait. Please wait, ma'am.
Okay, carry on.
Please share. Ma'am, share the link, ma'am.
Surely I will share it, but you first write this tabular form, which is very important, with example.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Finish.
Not finished.
Kind,
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
please don't circle on the screen.
Ma'am, go to the first one, ma'am. Ma'am, English. Stop reading
Muted. Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am. Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Hey, this is only first line. First line, first line, first line.
Open your video.
Hey.
Check.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Okay.
Stop talking, Ray.
Open your video.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Open your video.
Stop talking.
Where is Lalita Aditya?
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Open your
Stop
video.
talking. Stop.
Vinit, open your video.
Ma'am, kill me.
You stop.
Ishan, you have no time. Don't waste your time. You write. Ishan. Shruti, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete fast.
Teacher, finish.
Very good.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am. Finish.
Ma'am, finish the ma'am.
Anusai. Next meeting.
Wait, ma'am. See. Finished, ma'am. Next one, ma'am.
I want you all
Ma'am, finish the ma'am.
big open your
Ma'am.
Josh.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the class? English book चाहिए.
Ma'am, wait a second, ma'am.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Open your videos.
याद लग रही बस.
Please, ma'am, wait a second.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Ma'am, page number. Wait, ma'am. Please, ma'am, send. Ma'am, page number.
No page number, children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am, wait a second, ma'am. I'm over, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, yes.
Who is this shouting?
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Who's first one, ma'am? Please, ma'am. Please go to first
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
I don't try and go to first line.
Come on now, stop talking.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please go to first line.
Listen here.
Go to first line.
First, you write simple present tense. Simple.
Simple present.
Just now I told you what is the present tense, where the action is yet completed. Going on. Present tense.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is right.
Ma'am, go to first.
Children, in the simple present tense, as I read out, you follow and you write the same thing in your English classwork book. The simple present tense is used to indicate, first one is habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts. To this tense, we add either s or es or ie S. To the base verb or the main verb, you will just add S or ES or IES to the main verb or the base form of verb. Now, for example, I play. Play, plays. She plays. So that forms the present tense. I dance. Dance is the main verb. Or here the play is the base verb. I dance. Dance is the main verb or base verb. For which this dance you are adding ES to make it present tense. She dances. She dances. Here, the action is still going on. When the action is still in progress, then you call the tense to be the present tense. Okay, children? And the third form, I try. She tries. IES is used over here to make it a present tense. Y is removed and IES is added. Can you observe over there? See here, I play in order to make it a present tense. She plays. She dances. She tries. So here what happens is that in order to make it change the tense form, you're going to add S, ES and IES to the main verb or base verb. Did you understand? This is called as a simple present tense where the action is still going on. The action is not yet completed. Such kind of actions where the action is not completed, you call them as a simple present tense. Simple present tense. Just write down this in your class workbook.
Ma'am, over, ma'am.
Be silent, right, children?
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Stop talking.
You stop talking.
पहिला उल्लेखाचं कोण लिहायचं पहिला उल्लेखाचं Stop talking.
You stop talking.
You stop talking. Stop. To write this after that you write yourself. Yeah, don't talk. Don't talk. Mute yourself. Hey, you stop talking.
Stop talking and then write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Please go to first one.
Go to the
No, ma'am. Stop talking.
Then why are you
Stop talking.
children when you're writing? Can't you write
talking.
I'm done, ma'am.
Hey, not done.
to the past tense? Shall we turn to the
Over, ma'am.
Done.
Ma'am, over.
Not over, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Not over, ma'am.
Now listen here.
Over, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Send video. Ma'am, send video.
Okay. Now in this past tense, simple past tense, you have in simple past tense, you have two types. One is ed form and the other one is irregular form of verbs. Ed form is nothing but where you add ed to make the verb a past tense. And an irregular verb form is that the total spelling itself, you will have a change. Okay, you can see some of the examples over here. As I read out, follow in the slide shared on the screen. Okay, the simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened. Here you can observe that the action is already over. Such kind of verb is called as a past tense. Previously, we have seen where the action is not complete. That's why it is called as present tense. Here the action is over. That's why you call it as past tense. So in past tense, you have two types. Just now I told you. One is ed form and one is the spelling change will be there. That is called as irregular verbs. See, we add ed to base verb. Base verb, we have seen base verb is nothing but the main verb. Okay, but spelling changes for irregular verbs. You can see the examples. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. First one is she cooked. For cook, when you add ed, it becomes cooked. She cooked tasty food. And in the second situation, seems Seema danced well. Seema, it should be Seema danced well. Just you are adding ed to make it a past tense. He walked fast. Walk is the base verb. Walk is the base verb. In the first sentence, cook is the base verb, for which you are adding ed to make it a past tense. Past tense is nothing but the action is already over. Tense is the one which shows the time, the action, whether it is going on or over or it is going to be done. That is called as a tense. I am teaching now in tenses. Remember children, we are in tenses. We have seen present tense before. Now we are in past tense. Past tense are of two types. One is regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs, ed is added. For the main verb, you are adding ed to make it a past tense. Irregular verbs, the spelling itself will change to make it a past tense. So here cook is the main verb and you are adding ed. She cooked a tasty food, it becomes. Seema danced well. Dance is the main verb. He walked fast. Walk is the main verb. And when you add ed, it becomes past tense, walked. So these are called as ed verbs. Okay, irregular verbs you see. They ran fast. Run is the main verb. And the total spelling itself is changed. Ran it becomes to make it a past tense. He drank. Drink is becoming drank. Drink is the main verb. And the total spelling itself is changing and the pronunciation is becoming drank. Drank is the past form of drink. He drank milk. I did my homework. Do is the main verb over here, children. You can observe that. Do is becoming did. Past tense is did. For do, it is did. I did my homework. These are the past forms of irregular verbs. Keep, kept, sweep, swept. Drink, drank. Teach, taught. think, thought, buy, bought. All these are irregular verbs. I'll give you the list of verbs later on. Okay, kids, now you copy these. These are more than enough for you. Later on, I'll give you more. Okay? Did you finish? Now I have already shared the link for your revision test. After writing this, you attempt your revision paper and submit it. Okay? Come on, come on. Vulkundar. Vulkundakar Raj. No playing.
Over, ma'am.
Come on, write. Regular and irregular verbs.
Over, ma'am. Over, ma'am. Over.
Please wait, ma'am. I'm over, ma'am.
Over, ma'am.
I can write in one, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Come on, Saurajesh, over.
Video.
Yes,
Ma'am, send to Ma'am, send to video, ma'am.
No shouting, children.
ma'am.
Over,
Ma'am, back
Saurajesh.
No, ma'am, the back one I was right.
Please send video. And please
Back
send
one.
video.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Wait, I'll give you some time.
Wait, ma'am.
I will share the revision sheet, Funny Bunny.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Revision sheet for Funny Bunny.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
Facebook.
Who's there? Finish.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am.
I'm over my mice.
Ma'am, please send video.
Okay,
Ma'am, please send the video.
Please send the video, ma'am.
Gurudeep,
Please send the video, please.
Gurudeepti.
Please send the video, ma'am.
Ma. Over.
Over, ma'am.
Ma'am, go to first slide,
Lalita Ditima.
Sure.
Come on. Finish. Shall I share the revision sheet? I've already sent you the link. I've already sent you the link.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am. Go to first slide, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, go to first slide, ma'am. Anybody is here? Ma'am, please send the video, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Answer the
Bye, everyone.
You Jima, where family lived in the cottage. Cottage.
Children, I have shared you the revision sheet. Just follow it up. As I read out the questions, you follow them. Okay. This is the revision sheet for your lesson, Funny Bunny. First, you write down your name, tick your section. Okay. The first question is, dash fell on Funny Bunny. The first question is, dash fell on Funny Bunny. Second one, Funny Bunny wanted to tell the dash. Tell the queen, minister, king. Third one, give the opposite of fat. The first option is thick, second is thin, third one is tall. You should write the opposite of fat. The fourth one is opposite of big geese, small, large, medium. Change a letter to form the rhyming of down. Only one letter you should change. Okay? Frown, clown, gown. Give the rhyming of king by changing only one letter. Tring, bring, ring. Okay, children? The seventh one is identify the action word. Which is the action word? You should tell here. Geeta, running, green. Eighth one is give the missing vowel over here. P-N. Okay. What will come in this dash? E, O, I. Which letter will come? Okay. Tick that one. Ninth one. Give the young one of hen. Chick, kitten, pup. Okay. Give a rhyming word for hand. Band, mad, lad. Which is the correct rhyming word that suits the 10th one. And later on, you click the submit button. Okay, children? This is the revision sheet. I have already sent you the link. You answer the questions and submit the sheet. And apart from this, I will send you the video. Complete your notes. Okay? Complete your notes on tenses. I will post you the video. Okay, children? And you complete your revision sheet for lesson Funny Bunny. And in the next class, you will have Mr. Nobody and the curly locks lesson for revision in your next class. Okay? I asked you to write the revision test. I didn't ask you to scribble on the screen.
Clear all my drawings, then close it. చేయండి. క్లియర్ చేసినాక దే కాదు ఇక్కడ డిసేబుల్